Hey everybody, welcome to the Bat Channel. We are here today to show you that a bird just flew into our house. So we got these nets here and we're about to go catch the bird. So here we go. It's right now it's right up here in this tree. I'll show you. It's in this tree right here at the top, that little fake tree. And Ava's anxious to it's right here in this tree. There it is right there. Here I go. 1, 2, 3.
You did bad.
Ava, hold this. Come here. Hold the phone.
Okay.
Ready? You see it? Oh, I see it right now. Ready? I got it.
You got it. Okay. Close it.
Ava, shine it on it.
Can I pet it?
Hold on. Outside. Yep.
Okay. Okay, we need like a cage for it, Daddy. We need a cage for it. Is it like a hummingbird or something? Okay.
Okay, we got him. Let's see what kind of bird it is.
Look it up.
There it is. Pause.
Hello, and this guy is Bouncy.
We named him Bouncy because he bounces a lot.
No, we didn't.
What did we name him?
I don't know. Robin or something?
Okay, we're going to go let him go now.
No.
Ava wants to keep him, but we can't. We're back outside and we're about to let him go.
Okay, so.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, little bird.
He went right up there. Okay, he's gone. Bye.
Bye, bird.
Okay, everybody, thanks for watching the Bat Channel. That's Brian, Ava, and Tracy. And don't forget, like this video and subscribe below. Thanks.